Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out the winter Fab Fit Fun that's back here in the corner. You see it? Before we dive in, I want to say thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe so we can get to 10K by my birthday. It's so close, just about 3 weeks away. I can't believe that it's coming up so close. Not my birthday, I knew that one, but 10K is very meaningful for me. I know it doesn't seem like a lot to a lot of people, but for me it's a pretty huge deal, so thank you so much as we move toward that. And let's dive right into this unboxing. So first I want to cover a few add-on items that I did. There's always really great discounts on specific items before you get your box that you can choose to add on. I usually take advantage because there's really great things on there. So I did get 4 items this time. So I want to quickly show you guys what they are. First, I got the Tartist Pro Vegan Lashes in the style Little Black Dress. Just want to show you the style really quick. Hopefully you can see a little bit better there, kind of against my hand, what they look like. These are very light and very wispy. They're perfect for someone who is maybe newer to lashes. They have a tiny little band. And they're very light, very wispy, and perfect for someone who doesn't want something too dramatic, or even on a day when you're not really wearing a lot of makeup, but you want a little bit more lash going on. I think these are going to be great for that reason. I got another one of the understated leather eye masks. So I have 2 of these already that I really love. I'm going to take this one out of the packaging. These are vegan leather, and they do have like a cooling gel insert in them, but they feel so nice, and I love to protect my eyes from the light while I'm sleeping. I have sometimes troublesome sleep, so this seems to help me out a little bit, and this is what this one looks like. The hearts are so pretty on this like light muted kind of blue. I love it so much. It's very reflective. My other 2 are different colors and have stars on them, but I do have a special place in my heart for hearts. I also got a pair of socks. These are by Living Royal, and they are like a little pair that make up a little picture, and it's a Christmas llama. Look at him with all his lights and presents. So cute, and these were really inexpensive as well, but they feel like a pretty nice little material, even though it's more of like a screen printed type of look to the socks, but really cute. I just couldn't pass it up. I think these were like $5. And finally from Luxme, I got the Nautica Goddess Glow, and I saw this a couple of times and thought about getting it, but didn't really want to spend the money, but it was deeply discounted here. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I've not tried a lot from Luxme. I've just tried the original, I can't think of what it is, moisturizer that they came out with, which I did like, but I haven't tried anything since. So this is what it looks like in the tube, and I put a little dot on my hand there. It's kind of like a rosy gold kind of effect. So you can see it's got like this little shine. I'm eager to try this mixing with the foundation or even underneath to get that lit from within type of look. So I'm excited about that. There was one other thing that was in the shipment box that wasn't in my actual Fab Fit Fun that was kind of floating around. I guess this is like a little extra. So this is the V8 Hydrate Natural Electrolytes Super Hydration Coconut Watermelon. That's what it looks like. I've been chilling it since I got my box yesterday. So we're gonna try it. That's actually really good. I'm not a huge watermelon person, so I'm kind of happy that this tastes more like coconut. And this has a serving of vegetables. That's pretty good. I'm going to continue to sip on that while we go ahead and open up my box. So here is the winter Fab Fit Fun. That's what it looks like. They always have a cute design, and I'm really excited about this one. I felt like my last Fab Fit Fun video got like a lot of, not really hate, but like a little bit of negativity because I wasn't like wowed by the box. But guys, 1 out of like how many boxes that I wasn't wowed by, I didn't think that was a big deal, not to be like over the moon about it, but apparently people in their Fab Fit Fun are very touchy. So this month I think it's going to be back to normal, back to something that I really love, and I still thought it was worth it. I still thought it was good, just because I didn't think it was like the best ever. So I always like Fab Fit Fun. I'm not going to stop getting it just because 1 box was a little less than what I'm used to for me personally, but they always have good items in them. So out of the way, let's go ahead and open up this box. I have not peeked this time, so the box is fully intact just like this. I just removed the plastic seal. Fab Fit Fun is $49.99 every 3 months. I actually do mine yearly, so you pay a little bit less that way per box, but it's more like a one big lump sum, but it was worth it for me. You also become like a select member when you do that, and you get earlier access to add-ons. You're supposed to get your box before everybody else. Not always true. I've referred people who I work with who are just regular month-to-month members and they get their box before me. I don't know how that works, and they're like locally, but whatever. All sorts of goodies in here. Look at all that. So we have the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. That's what she looks like there. Yeah, smooth skin, once or twice a week. Okay, this is like perfect timing for the winter box. Great choice from that. I have an Ahava hand cream that I love. It's got like a light scent, it's not overpowering, and it really feels lovely on the skin. Also, this Melodica made my skin feel great. So I'm glad I have something else from Ahava to try. This is Merci for Anthropology Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. It's got like this little pretty mermaidy type of effect. I want to put a little bit of this on my other hand and try it out. Ooh. That feels nice. It's got like a little clean scent to it. It made my skin feel really nice on that hand. So yeah, Sea Whip Body Cream. It has Sea Whip extract, which is anti-inflammatory, sea silt, which is detoxifying and healing, and then dead sea salt for a mineral-rich composition, easily absorbed into skin. Okay. I always think it's weird that like hydrating products have salt in them when salt is dehydrating in a way, so that's kind of interesting, but it feels really nice and hydrating. Skin feels smooth, and it literally soaked right in. There's like no extra on the hand. We have from Thrive Cosmetics the Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick, and this is in the shade Stella. So that's what it looks like in the packaging. Thrive. It looks kind of like a cream eyeshadow stick. Maybe I'll put a little bit. That's actually pretty. You want to try a little bit in the inner corner? This is really nice if you want a more subtle glow. I kind of put some on right there. You can see it a bit, but it's not that noticeable. It's just right here. It's really pretty though. This will be great for a day when you want to go kind of minimal on the makeup, but you still want to look glowy and pretty. I'm interested to try that some more. I have from Black, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Hyaluronic Eye Mask. This is what it looks like in the packaging. So let's take these out of the box. Okay, so they are a black under eye gel, it looks like. So late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights. Ooh. Yeah, pretty much. These depuff, detox, and get you back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Okay, I can get down with that. Looks like it comes with 5 of those, so I will pop one of these into my upcoming giveaway. That'll be on my holiday gift guide, so be sure to check that out and turn on notifications. We have from Bite Beauty the Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Meringue. I'm gonna swatch this one. I don't have it, and I think I'm gonna like this shade a lot. I feel like this is a perfect shade for my skin tone for like that pinky nude sort of look. I think it's really, really nice. Love their formula as well. Next we have from Orbe the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. This is like a really big box right here. Ooh, this is a big can. I'm excited about this. They make beautiful products. I've tried this in a small size, and I have to say it's really, really good. I actually feel like spritzing a little. My hair is like so flat right now. And this smells really nice as well. Next we have a little blanket. This is from Mark and Graham. I've been excited about this because I was able to pick my color, and I really like this soft gray. And I'm gonna kind of hold it up. It's got like these little layers of gray. It's really pretty. This is the perfect little lap blanket when you don't want too much, you just want a little something. It's soft and cozy. So we've got 2 more things left. The first is this Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna open it up and look at it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this for myself though. Cute packaging. These shades are actually really cute. I also have 2 eyeshadow palettes, I believe, coming in my BoxyCharm soon. So be on the lookout. I don't know. I think I'm going to wait until I get everything together to decide what I'm going to keep and what I'm not. I've got a lot of palettes right now and then more coming. So I don't really want to swatch and like dirty any palettes because I might keep this one and give you guys one of the bigger ones that I'm getting, or I might give away a couple of them. I don't know yet. But this one has some really pretty shades in it. So that is really cute, and if I don't decide to keep it, I will definitely be putting it in my upcoming giveaway. We have one more thing. This is from the Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care. That's the box right there. And this is a treatment mask for dry, damaged hair. Your girl really needs that. This looks nice. I like the packaging on this. It looks like it's going to be good just from the packaging, you know what I mean? So this is a hair treatment, I guess. Ooh. That smells very luxe, if that makes sense. It's got like that intense type of spa scent. So this conditions, nourishes, and locks in moisture, fortifies and strengthens strands, and protects hair against breakage, dryness, and damage. Yes, I need that because my hair is like baby fine and wants to split off and break off in every direction constantly. So I can't wait to give this a try. It has argan oil in it, so I'll definitely be trying this and hopefully loving it. So that's everything I got in my winter Fab Fit Fun box. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little unboxing, and if you do like these type of videos, make sure to leave me a thumbs up like we talked about, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!